Guys, I got so busy working and processing payments for these tea kits that people are ordering from me. I also started redoing my living room and got caught up. So it's now 1 o'clock and I haven't eaten yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and make this. It is another one of these real good people thingies, and it's quick and I have to run to the store, so I'm just gonna eat this before I go out. It is 32 grams of protein, and this whole thing only has 240 calories, so I'm going to go ahead and try this out for a snack because I have a headache and I haven't eaten, and I can't believe it's 1 o'clock already. So let's see what it's like. Into the microwave it goes. So I just finished. It smells all right. They look very, very, very generic. They look nothing like the picture. Let me show you the food compared to the picture. Hold on. The picture looks absolutely delicious. School lunch. What is this? Yes, I'll get you some more milk. Let's see. Let me cut it on the camera so you can see. Oh my goodness, I'm so nervous to try this. Doesn't look right. It smells good. It just looks very funny. So it's just stuffed with chicken. Like a fajita? It's an enchilada. Right. This is the first bite. Let's see. Oh, it's actually pretty good. Okay. Okay, I'll mess with it. It's good. Okay. 32 grams of protein too, and just these two little things. White chicken. I don't know, but this is good. Okay, I'm gonna eat this, and then I have to run to the store and get some milk. Poor Cadence, gonna have to watch my children. I'm sorry. Guys, I had to go to Target. You already know I'm getting a coffee. Hey guys, so when I got home from Target, I just started cleaning again because I don't know what came over me today, but I just started reorganizing everything, and I just redid my whole living room, and I just like decluttered my kitchen counters, and I just almost bought a garbage can. Anyways, the whole point is I'm going to take one of each of these before I start to work a little bit again, because I have to approve some people. Yeah, I have to approve some people who just bought my recipe book, and I also have to get these tea orders down. So if you want to order a tea kit, I've been working on that too. So check the link in this description to my link tree, and you can order whatever. You can shop Melissa Gibbs. Yo. Okay, y'all, I'm messing up. I'm at Cicis. It's been a long day, and Cadence and Kamora left us, and we're at Cicis. That's all I'm gonna say. We're at Cicis. I'll show y'all what I'm gonna eat. I'm not gonna do too bad. I'm really not. But Sunday is Mother's Day, and I don't plan to do bad tomorrow. I don't know what's gonna happen on Sunday, but on Monday I'm gonna start going back to the gym and get back on this the right way, because I just ain't doing this right. I'm not doing it right. But I'm being truthful. See, we're gonna go eat Cicis now. Sorry guys, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. So I was officially down 14 pounds, so that's a good thing. It's okay. We're gonna get back on track, guys. We are. Favorite thing here is this one. See how he gets the really good fat one? I get the thin crust so I can, you know.
Mom.
Look at that. What?
Mom, can you show them my food? Mom, my food.
They're so happy right now. Ah. I ate it. It's good? You happy? Oh. Oh my gosh. I'm full. I'm gonna get a cinnamon roll though. For sure. For sure. I'm about to eat this. Yep. Hey beautiful people. So it is now 11 o'clock. And ever since we've been home, I've just been like cleaning. I'm on this like decluttering kick. I just keep throwing things away and cleaning and decluttering. I don't know what is going on, but I like it. I don't know. I changed a lot in the house today. I cleaned a lot in the house today. Probably burned like 3,000 calories by cleaning and moving furniture. So I guess I deserved and earned my little dinner. But like, for real, I'm human now, and I'm still gonna enjoy my life with my kids. Every once in a while. It's okay. Honestly. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my nightly goal. And to make it shorter, I'm just gonna do all of them together. So I have my apple cider vinegar. I only do one of those because I don't like them. And I'm going to do 2 super greens at one time. So all 3. You hear Blippi? Brooklyn's still awake, but he's out. And fat burner. I really like this. My proless is gonna be here Sunday though. I can't wait. I can't wait to be like 100% fully back on track on Monday. So that's that. My treatment get cleaned up and hanging out with my husband. I'm going non-stop today, so thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry I kind of like slipped up today, but just showing you that I'm human and it's okay. It's okay to enjoy a meal with your kids. Every once in a while, not every day. The main thing is that when you're gonna have a cheat meal, you have to realize that it's like you're having that one meal and then you just go right back. You don't skip your nightly supplements, skip everything else that you do to be healthy. Don't skip it all. Just get right back on track. So, signed, a real, non-perfect, honest mom. You know, all them other like health influencers, they be enjoying life too, I'm just saying. Thank you guys for watching. I'll do better tomorrow and I'll see you on the next video.